Centrify is a leading provider of identity and mobile management solutions. Technology that gives end users one single login across data center, cloud, and mobile, while giving IT a single unified identity infrastructure in which they can control who can access what. Clearly, end users love their personal devices. They don't want to have to carry around a second device for work. Bring your own device, or BYOD, is a very important trend that's happening.
The benefits of BYOD is, first thing is the employee actually buy the device, so it's actually a lot of cost reduction for enterprises. And the second benefit is the employees carry one device for work and play, and that's a huge benefit to increase the productivity.
How can I manage and secure those devices while at the same time not stepping on the privacy of the actual end user?
And my vision is that security doesn't have to be inconvenient. It has to be so natural. It's something invisible and always there, but it actually does not really hurt the productivity.
Samsung is really in the forefront of providing a device that can provide clean separation between work and play. That technology is called Knox, and it provides a container technology in which the work applications, the work data, can be secured on the device while the end user has their own personal workspace where they can have their own photos, their music.
By creating extra layer called container here, and putting the security sensitive application inside of that, there's no compromise on the user experience.
Samsung's providing this great platform, and we're able to, as a value-added partner, to go in and provide the identity management solutions.
And providing this work and play separation, it gives a freedom of using many applications, many cloud services. But if you have to authenticate every time you use services, that's a lot of inconvenience. And this partnership between the Samsung and Centrify really solves that heart of that problem.
Zero sign-on is really cool technology. It's very difficult, especially when you're on the go, to have to type lengthy usernames and passwords for multiple applications. So having a situation in which the device itself is already trusted, and that all you have to do to launch an application is to simply click on it, provides a great deal of power and flexibility in terms of enabling end user productivity while giving IT the power and flexibility to actually control who can access what at the back end.
We launched the Knox 1.0 last year, and we have received a lot of feedback from our customers. And the Knox 2.0 improved the usability of our container solutions. You can use any Android application inside the container. And also we are offering this cloud-based EMM solution to the wide variety of operating systems. That includes Android and also iOS.
So having a cloud-based service not only reduces the total cost of ownership of providing manageability and security of the devices and users, but also provides a lot more flexibility and speed of deployment in terms of setting this up.
Samsung is interested in offering these enterprise solutions right out of box. Very easy to sign up, easy to use. Just do the web-based, click and enter some user information. You already have that service on your device. So that's the vision we're going after, and that's the way we like to deploy our solutions.
Most enterprise IT organizations have a technology called Active Directory. It's part and parcel of the Windows platform, and that's where all their usernames and passwords are stored today. And what Centrify and Samsung provide is the ability to actually provide a cloud gateway into an on-premise Active Directory in a secure manner to leverage that identity store to allow end users to get the zero sign-on capability and use Active Directory as the means to actually apply policy to those devices. Mobile devices are increasingly replacing PCs as the way that end users are accessing corporate information. And so it's critical that the mobile devices can access the data and applications that reside on-premise, but do so in a secure manner. And that's why Samsung has introduced a wide range of security features into the Knox platform. And what Centrify offers is the way to ensure that the security is being enforced, while at the same time enabling end users to be highly productive to give them single-click access to that data. Samsung Knox, with Centrify technology, delivers key capabilities for well-regulated industries that they can get the insurance that they can meet SOX, FSMA, and the federal government with the rules and regulations having to do with data security, because it provides that extra level of security that you don't get with other solutions in the mobile industry. End users really like having self-service capabilities so they can be more productive themselves, while IT also enjoys self-service because it reduces the cost in terms of calls into the help desk as well. So self-service capabilities that we offer with Samsung deliver a big win-win both for end users and IT. There's a new trend happening called BYOI. It's called Bring Your Own Identity. IT organizations have identity from an on-premise Active Directory, or they may leverage a third-party directory like Azure AD from Microsoft. And both Centrify and Samsung provide the flexibility with the Knox environment to support BYOI, giving people the flexibility to allow the end users to log in with their usernames and passwords with their existing accounts in the existing identity stores that have been set up, as opposed to forcing IT organizations and users to learn new usernames and passwords.
The enterprise use of a mobile device has been increased significantly last 3 years, and then it's going to be a sustaining trend in the next 5 years. We're looking at about 700 to 800 million mobile devices being used in enterprises. Out of that, we are foreseeing that about more than 60% will be Android.
Samsung is clearly known for delivering sexy, beautiful devices, but Samsung is very committed to the enterprise market. And Centrify has always been an enterprise security company, and by partnering together, we can marry that great end user experience with a great device, but giving the assurances that they're using the device in a highly secure manner.